Imagine stepping into the world of DeFi, where the barriers of traditional finance crumble and opportunities for profit are boundless. Welcome to Flash Bot, where we've harnessed the power of Flash loans, creating a no-code arbitrage trading bot that opens up a new realm of risk-free, on-chain arbitrage opportunities. Now, let's dive into what a Flash loan actually is. It's a groundbreaking financial tool in DeFi, allowing you to borrow instantly without any collateral. With one catch caught, the loan must be returned within the same transaction block. It's this feature that FlashBot leverages, enabling you to capitalize on price differences across decentralized exchanges effortlessly. Here's the exciting part 2, making money. Our platform simplifies the process. You select a token and network, and our app scans for arbitrage opportunities. With a click, you get a Flash loan, execute the arbitrage, and the profit after repaying the loan is yours, minus a tiny fraction for the platform. It's efficient, automated, and precise. For those looking to amplify their earnings, our affiliate program adds another layer of opportunity. By referring others, you earn commissions on successful arbitrage transactions they conduct. It's a win-win, lowering entry barriers for everyone and diversifying risk across multiple platforms and protocols. In joining FlashBot, you're not just accessing a tool, you're stepping into a community committed to transparency, security, and innovation. Our open-source codes, audited by top-notch teams, ensure that we're offering one of the most secure platforms on the market. Ready to start arbitrage? Your journey to financial empowerment begins now.